Oh my, sweet cake. Welcome back. Today we're going to cook Vietnamese honeycomb cake. Let's go. For ingredients, we need 10 eggs, followed by 30 grams of fresh panda leaves, 400 milliliters of coconut milk, 400 grams of tapioca, then 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 cup of sugar, and finally 50 grams of butter. Begin by cutting the panda leaves into small pieces in a cup. Then add 400 milliliters of coconut milk. Then blend it. After that, fill out the scum, because we only want to keep the liquid. After that, add 1.5 cup of sugar, then half a teaspoon of salt. Turn on the heat and stir until the sugar and salt are dissolved. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit degree and insert the baking tray. Mix the tapioca, rice flour, all-purpose flour, and baking powder. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Then add 10 eggs into a bowl. Use a fork and gently blend the eggs. Mix the eggs and the panda leaf mixture. Then add the flour mix. Stir it gently. Now filter the mixture through a drainer. Next, melt the butter and add it to the mix. Add 2 drops of panda flavored food color if available. Stir it well. Take out the tray and spray some oil to prevent stickiness. Add the flour to the tray through a drainer. Then bake it at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, lower the heat to 340 and bake it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, lower to 265 degrees and cook for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn off the oven and keep the cake in the oven for 15 minutes. Take out and let the cake cool down before serve. Now look at the cake, how beautiful it is. There you go. Bon appétit!